Experience the Trimurti way of life. The year 2015 marked the completion of 20 years of Trimurti. A real estate company for 2 decades, Trimurti has a really long list of happy customers. Today, thousands of people live and work with delight in spaces created by us. This is what we have earned: relationships. Trimurti was founded in 1995 and has been acknowledged as one of the most active real estate developers in Rajasthan. Trimurti is proud of its many long-term lending and equity relationships, believe in building and concreting relationships. First Jaipur builders and developers to adopt green building practices, to selecting the most committed and like-minded architects, designers and contractors.
It was a great experience working with these guys, especially Anand Mishra,
Anand Sharat ji and everyone.
Trimurti is responsible for making first green building gold rated in residential sector in Rajasthan. That is Aurum.
One of the leading builders and developers in Jaipur brings you affordable and comfortable commercial and residential properties in prime locations of Jaipur.
They are helping every moment, providing us a time. Mr. Anand Mishra is giving a full time today recording the buildings, maps and other. Then we are working for the high-rise building in the best possible. That is his nature, to giving a best, and always he want to be the best. Next time the more best. Then he is required to be apne ko building or after stay service he is always giving to our clients. That's all.
Trimurti's residential projects are a true delight to live in. Offer from lavish 4 BHK flats, 3 BHK flats in Jaipur to elegant and cozy 2 BHK flats, keeping in mind all the essential features of a house. Rajasthan's first gold-rated green homes, and now green has become a basic philosophy guiding all our design and construction decisions.
जैसे जैसे हर प्रोजेक्ट के साथ हम आगे बढ़ते जा रहे हैं, जो समाज की तरफ हमारा दायित्व है उसका भी संपूर्ण निर्वाह कर रहा है त्रिमूर्ति ग्रुप। जैसे हमारा एक छोटा सा इनिशिएटिव है जिसमें हम हर प्रोजेक्ट के अंदर और उसके आसपास के एरिया में बहुत प्लांटेशन करते हैं। इसके अलावा जो स्पैरोज का हम ब्रिंग स्पैरोज बैक होम इज द लेटेस्ट व्हाट वी आर वर्किंग राइट नाउ।
उसमें बर्ड फीडर्स लगाते हैं अपनी साइट्स पे, बर्ड मेड उनके लिए नेस्ट बनाते हैं ताकि वो स्पैरो जो अब दिखती नहीं है वो वापस आए, फीड करे अपने आप को, वहीं रहे, ताकि एक नेचुरल हैबिटेट बर्ड्स को मिले।
All this to ensure that you live a happy life, living in your homes and working in your offices, and to make sure that our children grow up in a better, happier world.
Trimurti is doing a good job for sure. I think they are very innovative, so they are moving with time. They are investing into right kind of projects and understanding the needs of the masses and classes both at the same time, so that they can serve the both part of the societies in a beautiful way.
Trimurti is equally engaged in buying and selling plots in Jaipur for building and construction purpose. Most of the constructed residential and commercial spaces by Trimurti are undoubtedly premium real estate projects of Jaipur. Trimurti has long vision to grow across various verticals of real estate industry and be recognized as the most valuable real estate company in Rajasthan.
When Anand constructed it, Anand is the eldest son of Uday. So he was in charge of construction. Sharad was a student in Switzerland at that point of time, and Abhishek of course was very small. So he constructed, he gave me before time, before scheduled time. It was a couple of months before the time could be over. And then he gave me very, very good satisfactory work. So far as I know, they are value-based children. All the three boys they are value based. They keep commitments. Completion in time as far as possible. Secondly, they do not compromise with the quality. And that is more important, that you should not. Third thing, that they care for ambience.
Care for society-environment partnerships. Since 1995, the group has developed and delivered many milestone projects, surpassing the expectations and needs of thousands of families.
जितने मेजर्स लेने चाहिए इंटरनेशनल स्टैंडर्ड से जितना इन्होंने काम किया है, जो स्टैंडर्ड्स मेंटेन करने की कोशिश करी है, वो इंडस्ट्री के स्टैंडर्ड से बहुत ऊपर है। मैं इस सारी बातों की तारीफ़ करता हूँ और मैं यही बात कह सकता हूँ कि अच्छी चीज़ें अच्छे लोग ही बना सकते हैं और त्रिमूर्ति बधाई की पात्र है और त्रिमूर्ति की पूरी टीम जो इस काम में लगी हुई है वो अल्टीमेट है। ट्रस्ट बहुत बड़ी बात है जो त्रिमूर्ति ने लोगों के बीच में जमाया है। मैं एक ही बात कह सकता हूँ, इसको बनाए रखें।
I wish Trimurti all the very best in all the future endeavors and keep creating and sustaining the new benchmarks for better housing.
मैं सिर्फ इतना सा कहूँगा कि अभी हमने सिर्फ 20 साल कंप्लीट किए हैं। सिल्वर हमारी आने वाली है, गोल्डन की हम तैयारी कर रहे हैं और अपेक्षा करता हूँ कि इस दौरान हम वो चीज़ लोगों को दें जो इस शहर के लिए सबसे उत्तम हो।
Best wishes to the Trimurti group. Not is only for Trimurti group. We all the family members working together from last 20 years, and we are giving a best possible building in the market.
Keep going, keep doing a good work, and next building we'll make again best building of Rajasthan.
My blessings are always with them, and I always bless them, and I want them to be going up, and without compromising with the ethics of the...
I also want to congratulate Trimurti family for IGBC Platinum rated Green Building Award, which is not only the first in Rajasthan but also one of the few in India. This is indeed a great milestone to be achieved by any builder.